Stop settling for rubbery seafood. If you think calamari has to taste like a deep fried rubber band, you have been cooking it wrong your entire life. Today, I'm going to show you the authentic Italian way to prepare calamaro ripieno, stuffed squid cooked on barbecue. It's tender, it's smoky, and it's actually incredibly easy once you know the secret to the filling. Let's fire up the grill. First, we need to talk about the star of the show, the calamari. Now, let's clean them. If you bought them whole, reach inside the body and pull the head. The tentacles will come with it. Don't throw those away. In true Italian fashion, we waste nothing. We're going to chop those tentacles up for the filling. Reach back inside the tube and pull out the clear quill. It looks like a piece of plastic. Make sure that's gone. Now, here is a pro tip for grilling. Peel the skin. It's that purplish membrane on the outside. While it's edible, on the grill it can tighten up and make the squid chewy. We want melt in your mouth tender, so take a paper towel, grab the skin and peel it off. It's satisfying, trust me. Rinse the tubes well and pat them bone dry. Now let's prep the filling, and we're doing it the true Mediterranean way. Take those tentacles and fins you set aside and give them a rough chop. In a bowl, toss the chopped seafood with capers, pitted olives, anchovies for that intense umami punch, and a handful of breadcrumbs. Add a generous hit of our rub spice with flavor of Mediterranean. If you're after a finer texture, toss it all into a blender like I do. Finish it off with a heavy drizzle of olive oil. Blitz or mix until it forms a coarse, savory paste. This isn't just a stuffing, it's a flavor bomb. Now it's time to stuff the calamari. When you're filling them up, don't go all the way to the top. These calamari will shrink a bit during cooking, and we definitely don't want them bursting on us. Be patient. Fill them about three-quarters full and secure the ends with a toothpick to seal in all that goodness. With the calamari prepped and set aside, let's talk side dish. And we're cooking it right alongside the main event. Grab a handful of cherry tomatoes, slice them in half, and toss them into the tray. Hit them with a heavy pour of olive oil and hit of that same rub we used for the filling of calamari. It's a lightning fast side, but man, it delivers every single time. Set your barbecue up for indirect heat. We are aiming for a steady 150 degrees Celsius, or my USA friends 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tray on the cool side of the grill, away from the flames. We aren't grilling fast, we are baking with smoke. Close the lid and let it go. This gentle heat allows the filling to cook through while the calamari stays tender and the tomatoes break down into a confit. After about 25 minutes, look at this result. The calamari is perfectly plump. Time for the truth test. Wow, that texture is incredible. Zero chewiness. It literally melts. You get the saltiness from the anchovies and olives inside, balanced instantly by the sweetness of those roasted tomatoes. It tastes like a summer lunch in Italy. I want to know, do you usually stuff yours with other ingredients? Or are you going to try this pure seafood version? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more Terrace BBQ trials. And if you missed our Italian smoked meatloaf, click right here to watch that next. Ciao!